integrate innovation into corporates is the risk-taking and the decision-making process. Joining me today in the studio are Laly, Head of Business Development from our crowd, and Yinnon, Dolev, Head of Sompo Digital Lab Israel, one of the leading insurance companies rooted in Japan. It's great to have you here, guys.
Thank you for having us.
So tell us, Yinnon, why is Sompo Labs here based in Israel, and what are you looking for?
You know, Sompo is a large insurance company based in Japan with global businesses globally, but it's actually growing beyond just traditional insurance. Our mission statement is to become a theme park of services for well-being in safety and security. That means that our job is to offer services and new products to our customers in areas such as healthcare, agriculture, and energy. That's why we're here in Israel to identify innovative companies that we can partner with and take them to market.
How is the relationship with our crowd furthering Sompo's goals?
You know, it's all about access. In Israel, when it comes to innovation, it's all about identifying the right companies, the right startups, and the fact that our crowd has such a big magnitude of deals and companies that it screens, that it invests in, and the fact that they have a platform for all the deals that come in provides us the whole landscape of Israeli tech, or at least the majority of it, that we can identify companies, we can partner and even invest in.
And Laly, you are the Head of Business Development and Partnerships. Tell us how you're helping giants like Sompo find innovation here in Israel.
Well, I think like we heard from Yinnon, Sompo is an insurance company, but it's not only interested in insurance, it's interested in multiple technologies across different sectors and across different verticals. So the fact that we are sector agnostic and multi-stage, we're exposed and we dive deeply into technologies and companies across many different sectors, and this is relevant for enterprises from different industries.
Can you share with us an example other than Sompo?
So we collaborate with Halma from the UK, and Halma is interested in medical devices and safety devices, and we introduce Halma to different companies across the ecosystem in Israel and facilitate the way that Halma is collaborating and running POCs with companies, young startups from Israel.
Tell us, Yinnon, how do you see the insurance world taking the new technologies to incorporate innovation?
You know, traditionally the insurance business has been very slow and very risk averse, because we're in the business of managing risk. But it's changing, you know, with the growing power of millennials, with technology, with new companies who come in and propose new business models and new offerings for customers to buy insurance. We have no choice but to change. And that's done usually through technology adoption and partnerships. And for us, the two main areas I would emphasize that are the major sources of change is big data analysis. So we have a lot of information about our customers and about the type of risk, the type of insurance that they need. So that's a lot of information that we can process and provide them with better results and better policies, better pricing. And the other thing is customer experience. So gone are the days where you can take 2 weeks to offer a customer a policy and then negotiate on terms and ask all kinds of irrelevant questions. Today it has to be quick, it has to be now, the price has to be right, it has to be individual. And so when it comes to changes in the insurance business, I would say big data and customer experience are the main drivers for change in this world.
Thank you for sharing what is in the future of the insurance world. It's a pleasure to talk to you guys. And early this year, our crowd's portfolio companies made strides at CES. Let's take a look.